Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to use Instagram effects or Instagram filters on TikTok. If you appreciate this, give me a like because each like helps me out a lot. So what you gotta do is first record an Instagram story with the effect you choose. For example, click the plus sign on Instagram, click on story, then choose an effect. For example, what Pokemon are you? And for example, if you use this one, then what you want to do is save and save it to your camera roll by clicking the download button at the top. Is the same for Android and iOS. You can close it now because it's saved to your camera roll, and you want to go on TikTok, and there you want to click the plus sign at the bottom and upload by clicking the upload button, selecting the video, click select, and then you should be all good. Click on next and you can upload it. If this video helped you out, you know what to do. Give it a like.